Make a great choice today with the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, overhead console, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.